Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into an essential step for anyone looking to build a WordPress site, purchasing WordPress hosting. Let's get started. First, let's briefly talk about what WordPress hosting is. It's a type of web hosting specifically optimized for WordPress sites. This means faster performance, enhanced security, and easy installation. There are several types of hosting available. Here are the main ones. 1. Shared hosting, budget-friendly but can be slower. 2. VPS hosting, more power and flexibility. 3. Managed WordPress hosting, specifically optimized for WordPress. 4. Dedicated hosting, for high-traffic sites but more expensive. When choosing a hosting provider, consider these factors. Performance. Look for uptime guarantees and speed. Customer support. 24/7 support can be crucial. Pricing. Make sure it fits your budget. Scalability. Choose a provider that allows you to upgrade easily. Some popular WordPress hosting providers include Truehost. It offers affordable plans with easy setup, ideal for those just starting. Bluehost. This is great for beginners, officially recommended by WordPress. Engine high-performance managed hosting. Now, let's walk through how to purchase hosting. I'll use Truehost as an example, but the steps are similar across providers. 1. Visit the hosting provider's website. Go to the hosting provider's website. 2. Choose a plan. Select a plan that fits your needs. Most providers offer a basic plan for new sites. 3. Domain name registration. Next, you'll either register a new domain or use an existing one. If you choose a new domain, think of a name that reflects your brand. 4. Enter account information. Fill out your details to create your account. 5. Select add-ons review and select any add-ons like SSL certificates or backups if needed. 6. Payment information. Enter your payment details and review your order. Make sure everything looks good. 7. Complete the purchase. Finally, click Submit or Complete Purchase. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. After purchasing, you'll want to install WordPress. Most providers have a one-click installation feature. Just follow their prompts to get your site up and running, and that's it. You've successfully purchased WordPress hosting and set up your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more web development tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.